New angle, who days? Good morning. It's 4:50 in the morning. I just ate a banana. I had amla juice before that, and I'm going to have Shilajit now and finally drink creatine and coffee before I leave. I thankfully slept straight from 9:30 until 4. I think I woke up at like 4:15, and in the night I felt hungry and I kind of woke up at 2:30, but I forced myself to sleep or else I would have been awake. So today we are going to have our ideal day 1. I am waiting for my friends to come pick me up for football, and I'm finishing this really old bottle of sunscreen. I use only medicated stuff on my face because I have extremely sensitive skin. So let's make creatine coffee and then we leave. My older self would have drank coffee on an empty stomach, but I have stopped doing that for a couple of years after just general information. And also because I drink creatine, I just don't take the chance of drinking this empty stomach. So I had 1 scoop of this and coffee and hot water, that's about it. So today our biggest 3 tasks are going to be going for leg day after football if I can. I have to catch up on a lot of studies because I've been shit scared ever since the email notification came yesterday. So that has to happen. And also finish a sort of a course. Not finish, but I'll try my best to get it done. So, puffy eyes and cheers. Biggest 3 tasks I'm talking about catching up is along with 9 hours of work. I have to really plan my day out. I'm hoping to have like a very systematic leg day and not be dilly-dallying around. Yeah. I've been eating really high calorie foods ever since I started gymming again. So I'm planning to maybe start cutting next month on. But my idea of a cut is not going to be strictly uh, the measuring food types, which ideally should happen. I am going to replace high calorie food choices with like lower calorie food choices. Like this entire month, I've had too much fish and rice, and rice is high calories, and rice is fine, honestly. It's the fish that has like a lot of oil, even though it's good oil. I also add oil into it, so it just becomes really. I'm not realizing, but the fat is all sticking on. I need to shred only for a while to have my fats deposited in the right places after. So that is the idea. I am going to have like stew based food and stuff alike in the next month. And along with my fixed sleep, I'm hoping to see some visible results if I do it long term. And after a month, I'll plan to whether stick to that diet or make some changes. I still have about 20-30 minutes until they. Lighting is so off here. Until my friends come. I still have about 20-30 minutes until my friends come to pick me up. So I'm going to use that to plan my today. And I kind of use some planner like this. I made it on an Excel. It has days, date ki jagah, and some notes kind of. I need to make improvements on this because this is not 24-hour blocks. But I'm kind of working it with. I use this Excel printout. I use this Excel printout in order to stay productive, but this is not done as planned. So I had initially planned legs, push pull, and football wasn't planned. So things change. At least I can plan out which hour I'm going to do what. Leg day cannot exceed 7:30 today. So I have to be asleep by 9:30 again. So 7:30 I'll go to the gym. 9:30 I go to sleep. The food I'm going to eat today. That should needs thinking. Work from 9 a.m. until 3. To clean my house. From 3 until 7, we'll do MBA catch up and the course. So, breakfast, lunch, dinner has to be planned within all of that. Cool. Looks okay to me. My day is planned. Hopefully I pull through. Hopefully I pull through as planned. Also, I want to be a Pinterest girl so bad because look at that. I copied my sister and got that. But I am yet to fix everything in my house and also start not living like a whole toddler with like messy everything. But as I said, once my focus goes on something, some other thing gets compromised. So I'm still about to get shit together. I am hoping to do that today. I need to fix some lights on that thing. But yeah, I want to be a Pinterest girl so bad because I can. I know I can. It's just, I was a Pinterest girl at my sister's place because she has the entire Pinteresty vibe. And I want to do that. But that requires support. And I was eating really well at her place. So I'm hoping to get food, workout, studies, my work, and the Pinterest vibe all put together in a week or so. Wish me luck. We are ready and we are leaving. I'm just going to go walk on the streets. Making excuses and come to your fucking store.
I'm at the signal. कहाँ तुम्हें?
जल्दी no time waste, no time pass.
I'm back home. Come.
Brother, cross the fucking road.
Come, Ramya, Sandeep. Come towards the signal then.
Shan,
You guys are going to reach here.
turn around and be a part of this.
I knew I didn't trust you. That's why.
Shanj, turn around and be a part of this. Look who's back.
Wow. Bro, he's come back with his big legs, okay? Catch it.
Where's that?
Yo.
Why? Karan. Karan, face up. Guys. इधर तू. Fuck off.
यही करने का 2-4 बार और ऐसे ही करो अमर पीछे
Guys.
यो
अरे.
यो
Guys. Take ground. Viju. Take ground.
यो
Goal. 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 Uncle goal है. Goal.
यो वाइस
Good try. Beautiful guys. Karan.
डिस्को खेल रहे हो
ओए
सामने गोल था
यो ते ओ फक
खड़ा.
Sam is coming
Bro, can you play on? Hand.
Play. Come on.
Oh fuck! Wait, go, yes. Woohoo! अभी ब्लॉकर है नहीं ना लोग
Where's that camera?
Yeah. Don't worry. Don't bring your ass in front of it और तू अपने जूते निकाल.
What are we doing here?
मॉनेटरी बेनिफिट में प्रॉब्लम भाई स्ट्रेच कर रहे हो समझो बात थोड़ा
but moment of the match मोहित बाहर आके पकड़
मत जाओ
के
इधर आओ इधर कर रहे हो
नहीं रियलाइज क्या
दौड़ते सिखा जाओगे
अरे भाई तू क्यों कैमरा के सामने खड़े हो जाता है बार-बार हमेशा
ये आधार कार्ड है तेरा
यू जस्ट ऑलवेज देयर हट
बाकी कुछ नहीं करती है देख तू
भाई तेरा अच्छे से नहीं हो रहा है
अबे उसके मोटे पे मतलब मोटे नहीं ब्रो मस्कुलर what I meant is he's stiff because he has more muscle
सात जन्म क्या है, तब वैसे
bro I'm just saying you have more muscle which is why you're stiff muscular is what I meant
वो अभी आकर
पहले का फोटो दिखाओगे?
hey, I know for a fact it takes a lot of motaba to be this muscular
तू आग लगा ले
Look at this exhaustion.
asking how many years it took you to build that kind of car.
7 जन्म
लेग्स और होल बॉडी लेग्स इज द
We are struggling with
4-5 years 4-5
3 years
now if you leave
nothing will happen
nothing happen
it depends on my food intake if I started eating like anything gone if he'll eat like you
You asked his
नहीं
diet then.
ज्यादा लगता है
क्या खाता है विकास
खाना 10 अंडा 400 ग्राम चिकन
देखा बोला ना मैं 10 संडे
That diet you have.
3 चिकन
राइस
five.
But wait, were you like skinny or were you plump? Okay, because he's skinny and he's
but have you gone to some
body is ectomorph.
bodybuilding
it
competition
will take little bit time whatever you eat it will convert into muscles only
yeah ectomorph
Ectomorph.
What have you gone to some wrestling like show off competition?
Not now,
competition.
but soon.
अरे दो बार हो गया एक ये मोटे पैर एक वो शो भाई तुझा
competition हो
जाएगा आज ही से
ब्रो तुम कैमरा के सामने आते हो हट के जो भी इमोशनल ब्रेकडाउन कर रहा है
प्रशांत प्रशांत
That is only wife special.
सबका अलग
ये यार,
चल रहा है
सुनो तो।
कैमरा में चल रहा है
ये यहाँ स्ट्रेचिंग कर रही है.
Competition.
Show off competition.
ये यहाँ स्ट्रेचिंग कर रही है. ठीक है, मैं विकास को बोला तेरा अच्छे से नहीं मोड़ रहा पैर. क्या बोलते हैं लोग? विकास का मोटा पैर.
Oiling.
बॉडी बैंड इज मस्कुलर यार
अब वो बोल रही तेरे को मोटा तेरा जिम का फायदा नहीं है तो छोड़ दे
ब्रो यू नो व्हाट आई
Grease or something they dump.
भाई तेरे थिक था इस काम नहीं है
ठंडा था
एक ग्रीस नहीं है यार वो
ठंडा था
Shoe polish बोला, grease नहीं बोला.
maybe I don't
Some darkening agent.
Yeah, I think because of darkness.
क्यों उनका मुंह गोरा रहता है बाकी पूरा का
क्या बोल रहा है
रिकॉर्डर है बे कोई जाके एफआईआर डालेगा तेरे पे.
आई डोंट नो दिस गाय ओके
Vikas is also doing
वो
for the
YouTube पे
camera.
डालेगी जाके.
Vikas is doing for the camera.
तो चैनल में आओ.
वो जाके YouTube पे डालेगी. उसको कमेंट पे धोएंगे लोग.
ये कौन है बड़वा साइड में बोल रहा है
Yeah, he's like, I'll get fame and then he'll start his own YouTube channel fitness.
चलता नहीं है एग्जॉस्ट
बट हैव यू सीन वो अर्नोल्ड सब उसी में आता है ना
There's one guy in this gym, trainer also. He's 16 years apparently. He's like 3
वो अर्नोल्ड शिवाजी नगर
after a point
really big guy.
you can't
He keeps eating in the locker room.
That's why I said that.
गाइस लॉकर रूम हाउ इज
Arnold Shivaji ne de
No, but he's on short guys. You
after
know
a point you can't answer
स्टॉप बॉडी शेमिंग पीपल मैंने मोटा नहीं बोला
क्या बात
ये कवर अप है
But he's not the gym bulk. He's also flexible. A lot of gym bodies can't be
I
flexible.
remember back in the days I used to go to this gym okay the local councillor used to come so he had a bodyguard he couldn't answer phones he would be like hello ऐसे
होता है
उसका कमर इतना है छाती ऐसा है
क्या क्या देख रहे हो
It's because of their.
वो एक जमाने में वैसे था अभी चेंज हुआ है वो
इंजेक्शन है
इंजेक्शन.
फिर उसको आगे कोई इतना बॉडी रखे कोई 16 साल
नहीं
का बच्चा
एक्चुअली
खोल के
विदाउट
चला गया
मोबिलिटी मसल बिल्डअप हो
मर
के
गया
वो
फिर
stiff
वो।
हो जाता है मतलब इवन इफ दे डोंट टेक
16-year-old kid
Why, yeah?
वही तो मैं बोल रही थी
You should give an
क्या बोल रहे तेरे को? 16 साल का बच्चा पहन के.
क्या 16 साल का बच्चा पहन के
इसके बॉडी
वो बोल रहा है ऐसे
वो अपना कहानी बता रहा है.
अलग
So one guy came 16-year-old
सुनो,
पीछे से आगे
पीछे से आगे.
पूरा खुल गया
किसको अर्नोल्ड शिवाजी नगर को
उधर इमोशनल
अच्छी बात है भगवान की बात है
Do you just
अब मारवाड़ी में बदला तो सडन
no? That's still not proper Madu. Madu tuck is money and taka.
10,000
लुक एट करण
भगवान ऑल्सो
and full gangster only.
Someone didn't pay him.
No, when 16-year-old came,
Hey, enough.
क्यों किसके लिए
How many times 16-year-old
नहीं हो ना.
पैसा के लिए और किसके लिए कोई
मारेगा?
उसको कुन्नस था कि ये मेरे से बड़ा है
नहीं वो
उम्र में
ब्याज का
27
होगा,
करोड़।
मतलब
तू बच के रहे
उतना पता है.
मैं उतना ब्याज नहीं लेता। मैं जितना साल में चार्ज
ब्रो
करता
तू
हूँ
14 ईयर ओल्ड दिखता है सही में
नहीं मैं जितना साल में चार्ज करता हूँ वो दिन में चार्ज करता हूँ
किस चीज का चार्ज अच्छा तू भी अच्छा मनी लेंडर वाला केस है ये सब
सिंधु.
मनी लेंडर वाला नहीं है मीटर पट्टी वाला लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस
अच्छा
पैसे वालों से बात नहीं कर रहे.
You don't get people ad hoc. Morning.
one day I'm going to be rich
फ्राइडे इवनिंग
One day, हाँ.
भाई उस एक दिन के लिए मेरे को पार्टी में बुलाना
नहीं वही तो मैं बोल रही हूँ you are not allowed in my get rich party I'm not the psycho you are not allowed in my get rich
अरे
party
तो फिर तोड़ दिया मैंने गेम में इतना सपोर्ट किया
तूने सपोर्ट
ये सब ये गाली दे वो तो कारण तेरे को इतना चिढ़ा
bro I नहीं I forgot your name also
No, you're planning.
वो बोल रही है प्रशांत और शशांक नहीं है उनको कॉल करो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ उन दोनों को कॉल करो भाई किधर है पूछ लो ये बोल रहे मेरे पास नंबर नहीं है
कैसा बड़ा है
मजाक मेरे को पढ़ाओ
खत्म
You're too small. You're too old.
अच्छा मत
Bro, this girl,
I
my
will-
cousin, 3 years they let her.
ये-
I was sitting and wondering एक कारण सही किया यार,
बंदा-
कोई और plan ही नहीं करता ये सब.
I have no words to
Repeat 1 year now. Or get some fake date of birth certificate. Yeah, there's a new rule that you need to be so and so age before.
तुम लोग है ना YouTube प्रोसेस के हो मेरा बढ़ा दो ना ऐसे वैसे मैनेज कर दो I'm using all keywords सारे tags यूज कर रही हूँ पर मतलब है ट्रैक्शन अच्छा हुआ है स्टोरेज के लिए
एक सिद्धांत करके दोस्त है मेरा, पता नहीं कौन से सिंगर का वो कॉपी किया था गिटार बजाने में, इतना परफेक्ट बनाया कि उसका 3 बार कॉपीराइट इशू में रिजेक्ट हो गया, इतना परफेक्ट बजाया उसके लिए।
मैं कल जिम का अपलोड करी थी पिछले वाले में जब मेरा अरे मैंने खुद के स्टोरेज के एग्स विद घी के पराठे क्यों नहीं बन रही एब्स ये दिस इज व्हाई
Just finished a few work calls and I think I'm going to take a power nap to just function right 20 minutes or so.